fellow YouTubers. Well, I was about to cut grass. I filled the lawnmower up with gas, and look at that leak, that tank. She's leaking more than it uses. Okay, well, in this video, I'm going to change that fuel tank. I'll show you how to do it. It's quick and easy, and it'll be more efficient because it won't leak, more friendly environmentally. And well, let's get at it, because if I keep on talking, that fuel tank will be empty in no time flat. Okay, just 1 second. Okay, so to take this gas tank off, it would be best to drain or siphon all the fuel that's in the tank, and then there's the hose right there. So we'll just disconnect that, and then it just slides up off those mounting spots on the engine housing there. So let me get some pliers, and we'll get that off. So there's the mounting brackets right there, just like the old one. So we'll take that off right now. So there'll be a little bit of excess fuel that you can't really get. So as soon as you take that hose off, put your thumb or your finger on top of it so that you don't, spill any fuel, and then you have to clean up after yourself. So I need 2 hands, so I'll be right back. And there you go. That's how the fuel tank gets taken off. And the new one just gets put on like that. And we will put the fuel hose on just like that. See, that fuel line could probably be replaced, but it's good for this year, and we'll just fill it up and start it. And that's how you change your fuel tank on this type of lawnmower. I hope this helped you out. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.